Try to listen carefully to what your date is telling you, and prepare follow up questions that you could ask about what they're saying. It'll keep you much more engaged in the conversation if you're thinking about ways to expand upon what they're saying and ask them to give you more details. For example, if your date is talking about an interest that she has in cooking, you can then think about different ways to expand upon that. You can ask, "Oh, is there a specific dish that you like to make? What's the worst dish you've ever tried making? What's the biggest group you've ever cooked for? What's something you want to be able to do in the future with cooking?" There are many different things you could ask them about what they've revealed to you, and thinking about them is a really good way to get you actively listening in the conversation.